Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to social class. So, already discussed the topic that standard 7th history, unit 1, Vijayanagar and Bamini kingdoms. So, already discussed the topic and Vijayanagar empire and its art and architecture and economics, everything is learning. Now, let us discuss the topic. It is Bamini kingdoms. Foundation and consolidation of the Bamini kingdoms. Alauddin Hasan. Alauddin Hasan, also known as Hasan Gangu. Hasan Gangu. They seized Daulatabad and declared himself the Sultan under the title of the Bahman Shah in 1347. In his effort, the Turkish officer of Daulatabad, it's a Devagiri, was supported by their military leaders in rebellion against the Sultan of Delhi. Delhi, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. In 2 years, Alauddin Hasan, Bahman Shah shifted his capital to Gulbarga. So again he shifted his capital Bidar. His successor found it difficult to organize a stable kingdom even around Gulbarga. So the capital was again shifted Bidar in 1429. There are 18 monarchies of the Bamini dynasty. It is another Bamini dynasty. Okay, how many children it is one there? So how many? 18. 18 monarchies of another Bamini dynasties. Okay. So next, let us discuss the topic Alauddin Hasan. Bahman Shah. 1347 to 1358. Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah 1347 to 1358. Alauddin Hasan ruled for 11 years. His attempt to extract an annual tribute from the state of Warangal, the ready kingdoms of Rajmundri and Kondavidi lead to frequent wars. Alauddin Bahman Shah divided the kingdom into four territorial division is called Tarabs. It is called Tarabs. A governor was appointed for each province. A commander and army was solely responsible for its administration and for the collection of the revenue. The system worked well under the powerful king, but its dangers become apparent during the region of a weak ruler. It's a Bamini kingdom. It's a major person. It is from this foundation. So who this Alauddin Hasan. It's also known as Hasan Gangu. So it's the title of the Bahman Shah. It is from the 1347. As another important one, the shifted is first is from the capital Gulbarga. So again, organized basis the stable government, that is again a shifted is from the capital Bidar. And another one, 18 monarchy of Bamini and dynasty. So another important, it's a ruler Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah 1347 to 1358. So another ruler, it's Alauddin Hasan. So you deeply discuss the topic Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah 1347 to 1358. So he ruled how many years? 11 years. So the fourth territorial division is called Tarabs. Okay. Next, discuss the topic Muhammad Shah I. Muhammad Shah I, 1358 to 1375. Muhammad Shah I succeeded Bahman Shah. He waged 2 wars with Vijayanagar but couldn't gain from it. But his attack on Warangal in 1363 earned him a large property and wealth, including the important fortress of Golconda and his treasured Turkish throne, which thereafter became the throne of the Bahmani kings. Thereafter, they become the throne of the Bahmani kings. Another one, the Turkish. Okay, the Turkish, that means a semi-precious stone. Is a sky blue in color. That is one the Turkish. It's a semi-precious stone, sky blue in color. The Turkish throne is one of the beesweld royal, the seat of the Persian kings described in Firdusi Nama. Muhammad Shah laid a solid foundation. Muhammad Shah, he laid the solid foundation for the kingdoms. His system of government continued even after the Bahmani kingdom disintegrated. So Bahmani kingdom disintegrated into 5 sultanates. He built 2 mosques at where it is on the Gulbarga. One of the great mosques completed in 1367 is a measure 216 by 16 feet and as a roofed courtyard. A large number of Arabs, Turks and notably the Persian began to emigrate to the Deccan. Many of them at the invitation of Sultan Muhammad I, and there they had a strong influence of development of the Muslim culture. It's a very important, children. So the Sultan Muhammad I, thereafter the strong influence of development of Muslim culture during the subsequent generation. So next, discuss the topic successor of Muhammad Shah I. Successor of Muhammad Shah I. The Mujahid, the son of Muhammad Shah, ascended the throne. However, on his return to Gulbarga from the expedition against Vijayanagar, he was assassinated and the nephew of the conspirator Daulat, the uncle of Muhammad, was thrown in 1378 as a Muhammad II. Muhammad II's regime was peaceful and the Sultan spent much of time building his court as a center of culture and learning. It's a very important one, children, because after Muhammad Shah I, it is another, or it is a great ruler, it is one the Muhammad Shah II. Because during this period, it's maintained one, it is a very peaceful, and another one, it is a concentrated center of the culture, and another one, it is one the learning. There were consequent wars, the Bahmani and the Vijayanagar rulers over the fertile Tungabhadra and Krishna region. The threat also came from the north. Especially from Malwa and Gujarat. The noteworthy ruler after 8.5 decades, 1377 to 1463, there was Muhammad III. 1463 to 1482. Muhammad III, the regent for 19 years. Muhammad III, the regent for how many years? 19 years. For most of these years, the lieutenant of the kingdom was Muhammad Khan, the most notable personality of that time. It's a very, very, very important one. It is one for children. It is on the Muhammad Khan, the notable personality. It is a very notable personality.